India is blessed with young people who are having energetic knowledge, talent, creativity, innovation. So, how to get the young Indians employed? Maybe it is job oriented, service providing, and self employment. All these are opportunities available to young Indians to undertake any activity to as a leading his livelihood happily, comfortably. So every young Indian may not be possible to get a job in government sector or administration, but they can be a better service providers with their expertise in technology or professional with qualifications and self-employed with trading capabilities, manufacturing capabilities, and service providing capabilities. So now what are the opportunities available to young Indians? When it comes to self-employment, they can undertake small businesses, medium-sized businesses, small manufacturing activities, value addition activities, and communication, marketing identification facilities, transportation advisors. So there is scope for self-employment being a bridge between the manufacturer and the consumer. Next one is job opportunities. Indian economy is developing a fast compared to other countries, compared to past of Indian history. Many new infrastructure facilities are being taken up by the government and the private participant management. Also, many manufacturing units are also coming into activity, commencing its activities. Another one is India is famous for software technology. There are many opportunities here in software and other opportunities are also possible in communication skills, technology development, software developments, and innovation, creativity is possible. So there is a gap between the manufacturer, service provider, and the consumers at the market. So these young Indians can play an important role in providing a platform between the manufacturer, service provider, and the consumer so that the manufacturer supplies the goods to the consumer and the consumer accepts the goods and make the payment to the manufacturer. The young Indians can play an important role by acting as a platform and a bridge between the manufacturer and identification of consumer, marketing opportunities, transporting the goods from the manufacturer to the consumer, and ensuring that the sale proceeds reach to the manufacturer from the consumer as early as possible. Because of this market opportunity available, Indian exports are improving. India could reach $400 billion exports during this year. So this is one of the greatest achievement. This is the opportunity. There is a production is there and market is there. The identifying the market and reaching the market is more important. Maybe domestic market or global market. This is the opportunity available to the young Indians. In the same way, opportunity also available for providing services, expert services, technological services, vocational services, domestic services, transportation services, all services facilities are available because the fast services will reduce the damage to the consumer, wastage to the consumer, and provide earning opportunity, employment opportunity, self-employment opportunity to young Indians. So the talent of the young Indians to be used between the manufacturer and service provider and the consumers. Manufacturer service providers are at one end and consumer at the other end. Identification of consumer, supplying the goods and services to the consumer and receiving the sale proceeds from the consumer and forwarding to the manufacturer service provider is the essential important connection is required. And if that is provided, the young Indians can be better employed with various opportunities. Other opportunities also available for storage, transportation, digital payments, identification of consumers, identification of manufacturers. All these are additional opportunities to young Indians. Every young Indian may not be possible to be accommodated in government jobs or jobs in employment opportunity in commercial organizations, and young Indians may not be able to interested. Some young Indians may not be willing to undertake the jobs, but they may be interested in showing their performance in innovation and creativity which will create additional opportunities to young Indians, and commercializing their talent is most important. So young Indians can become owners of startups, and they can use their talent and innovation by attracting entrepreneurs, investors, become commercial organizations. This is India. We can see every month we are getting 3 unicorn companies from India. Majority of them are software technology-based companies, digital technology-based companies. Also, there are opportunities, I stated, in entertainment, communication, transportation, storage, learning, education, skill development, healthcare, environment protection, and energy, alternate energy, waste to wealth. All the other opportunities are available. The only thing is finding out the suitable opportunity and applying the talent to create new value, new wealth, new value addition to the product is the important concept for young Indians. So these are the opportunities available for young Indians.